Okay. Yes. Okay. So today we will finish off our presentation. So the last students left are. Let me make sure
Ocean,
I am right.
ocean,
Yes.
ocean.
Yes. Ocean. Thank you, Kongming. Ocean. Caroline.
Yesterday you said ocean presented first.
Ocean will present first. So we have Caroline, Leo. Yes, I've got Leo. I've got Leo written down. Who am I missing? Ocean, Caroline, Leo.
Nó con Hào. Bố để cho con học kỹ nữa, bố con gọi sau.
Hey, quiet. Thank you. Eat as well.
Do you find your earring?
I found my earring. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I've got 2 earrings now. Yay! Well, no, they're not the same ones. They're different. Yeah, it's good to have the match. Okay. Ocean. Morning.
Bye bye. I will leave the meeting.
Ocean. Hello.
Bye.
Quiet. Thank you so much. Ocean. Hello. Ocean's turned into a chair. Great stuff. Okay, I said Ocean's going to go first, so we'll wait for Ocean. I got Ocean's homework last night.
Ocean is hiding.
He is. No, there he is. He's back. There we go. So, all of you, I want you to pay attention to what Ocean speaks about. If you have any questions, please send the questions to me in chat. And then we can ask Ocean at the end. Ocean, are you ready?
Yeah. Yes, Ocean is ready.
Ming, you're not the teacher. If you want to be, I'll make you the teacher and I'll sit back and annoy you. That could be fun. No? Cool. Okay, right. Ocean, you ready? Ah, man. Go. Ocean.
I show you how to move white tiger to a new home. Today, I will find a new home for white tiger. White tiger lives in the forest of America. The climate is wet and hot. The temperature is
đợi chị một đợi chị tí đợi chị gọi lại nhé.
I can't hear anything.
85 Fahrenheit. The precipitation is 60 to 160 inches. The climate zone is tropical zone.
Oh.
Vietnam is 40%.
So you can just say some places I looked at were.
Vietnam.
Where else? China. And
Precipitation at Vietnam is 40%. Temperature is 36 Celsius.
okay, so which one did you choose for the tiger to move to?
At Vietnam.
Okay, why Vietnam?
Because it's hot and wet.
Okay. Okay, sure. Kwang Ming, do you agree with Ocean?
Yes.
Why?
Because Vietnam has the same climate. Where have the same climate as America.
Okay. Hacker, what do you think?
I have one question.
Okay, what's your question?
But what China is in temperate zone? China is in tropical zone.
Some is in tropical, some is in temperate.
You said again, I can't hear.
China is very big. So some of China is in the tropical zone, some of China is in the temperate zone.
So ultimately write both.
Did you write both when you spoke about some of the places you spoke about? No. Caroline, do you agree with Ocean?
I think yes.
Okay, bye. Why? My favorite question. Why? Why? I'm gonna ask why all day. Why, Caroline? Why? Why?
Because he researched correctly.
Oh, okay. You think precipitation 40% is researched correctly? Ocean, buddy, what does 40% precipitation mean? It's gonna rain 40% of the time? No, I don't know what I'm not too sure what that means. Like precipitation 40%. Not too sure. I can guess maybe it means 40% of the time. I don't know. Caroline, what do you think?
Don't think so. In the precipitation, he's right, but another I think is he is correct.
Okay, fine. I agree with you. Thank you. Leo, your turn.
My no.
Yes, Leo, it's your turn. Perfect. Ooh, this should be fun. Leo, I'm excited. You
Yeah.
excited?
Yeah.
I like this presentation. Okay. Let's go. Come on. Load. Faster. Aha, there we go.
Hello, everybody. My name is Leo, and today we're going to talk about moves of hippopotamus.
Okay. And the lion in the background having a little cuddle and a kiss and eating some like deer.
That is my life.
Yeah, that's your lion eating a deer.
Oh.
Okay. Answer the question.
What do hippo eat? Plus, where can hippos live?
It's a question for me or a question for you?
Really?
A question for everyone. Okay. Everybody, Leo's asking you a question. Leo, take the class. Who would you like to answer the question? What do hippos eat?
Hippos eat anything they want.
Hippos eat anything they want, especially young boys named Hacker. Their favorite food.
I think hippo eats watermelon.
Hippos eat watermelon. Yeah, hippos go to Vinmar all the time. Buy watermelons, eat them. No, they get fed watermelons in zoos, definitely. Yes, Emma.
Hippos eat vegetables.
Vegetables like carrots and potatoes.
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, what do hippos eat?
I think hippopotamus
Hippos
eat
eat meat.
Hemp.
Hemp.
Yeah.
Hippos eat grass.
First letter have the
Hippos eat Mr. Ryan.
Hippos eat Mr. Ryan. Yeah, often, definitely. Okay, so yeah, right. So hippos they eat grass. They do eat meat as well, as far as I'm aware. Me a little bit though. I don't think they eat watermelons. I know there's lots of videos of people putting watermelons into hippos' mouths, and then the hippo munching the watermelon. Oh, oh. Right, Leo, where can hippos live? I'll ask you this time, Leo.
any place is hot.
Anywhere it's hot. Okay, anywhere it's hot. Great stuff. Leo, let's go. Come on, talk. This is your presentation.
Where does hippo live plus hippo habitat?
Okay, you tell me this time. What's the hippo's habitat?
Hippo habitat is hot
And
and cold.
okay, that's the climate. But what about like where does a hippo live? Live in a house? Does it live in my pocket?
No.
Or does it live in the river?
Yep.
Well, there we go, right? So it needs a river. Great stuff. Aha.
People live in the sub-Saharan Africa. They live in area with abundant water as hippos spend time submerged their skin colder and moist. Consider amphibious animal. Hippos spend up in the water about 16 per hour days in the water. People live in tropical zone. What can hippo live area?
What do you mean what can hippo live? Where can a hippo live?
Where can hippo live? Area Uganda, Somalia, and Kenya.
Okay, Leo. Okay. That's okay, true. So speak about this, please.
What can hippo live? Hippo live near the lake. This means they live in country where it is hot. They can live in Uganda, Sudan, and Kenya, and any place that is hot. What do hippo eat? Hippo are large animals, but they are herbivores, not carnivores. They only attack predators when predators try to kill them. They feed them short grass, tall plant, vegetable, and fruit. Even they can eat banana cake or any cake.
Okay.
I use a website of the stream in Uganda because Uganda is in the East Africa near the tropical zone and the lakeside or the stream you can cool the hippo down or make the skin moist up its perfect in my conclusion, I think the lakeside of the stream in Uganda is a place good for hippo to live. It's got to be free.
Right. Okay. Right. Leo, presentation is very good. Right. It looks really good. Lots of hippos. Look, there's a hippo eating a watermelon. They only do it like in the zoo. I don't think hippos go buy watermelons. Okay. Ocean. Ocean. What type of animal are hippos, according to Leo's presentation? What type of animals are hippos? Are they carnivores, herbivores? Making them up. Okay, great answer. D. Are hippos carnivores or herbivores?
Herbivores.
Good job. And Emma, do you agree with Leo?
Yes.
Why?
Because Leo said because
Because well, the wonderful things that he does. No, we're off to see the wizard. No, okay. Okay. Yes, okay, right, okay. Leo, the reason Emma is finding it so difficult to compare is because you never said exactly where the hippo is from. You live in sub-Saharan Africa. Leo, name one country in sub-Saharan Africa. You see my point, Leo?
Yep.
If you don't say exactly where hippo is from, it's very hard to say what it's compared against. So for example, if I turn around to you and said, oh yeah, you're so much better than, yeah. Understand? No. So again, you need to be specific about where you're comparing against. Okay, thank you. Twitchy, you're next.
I have a question.
Okay, what's your question?
How can the hippo eat while the teeth of the hippo in this or in the two sides?
Okay, let me ask you a question. Can you eat watermelon without your teeth? Yeah. What about a tomato? You eat a tomato without your teeth?
Can't eat it.
No. Hi. Oh, Kwangming, what I would like for you to do today is I want you to try eat things without using your teeth.
Never.
Why not?
Yeah, I can do it.
All right, okay. Mingha, you eat not the food today with no teeth. Right.
Eat, yeah.
I mean, how old are you? 2, 3, 4?
9.
9. Okay, so 2. You're 2 years old. So when you're 2 years old, you don't have any teeth, do you? You got no teeth.
Yes.
You can still
Soup.
you can still eat stuff.
When we're 2 years old, we don't have teeth, because we're so little.
Yeah, Mingha, how old are you? 4? 4? Okay, cool. Good stuff. So when you're all 2 years old and 4 years old, you don't have any teeth. You can still eat, right?
Yes. Teeth.
Yeah. Look at the fit like. Oh yeah, it's fine.
But little teeth.
Right. Anyway, Peachy.
I don't eat rice.
Okay, that's fine. Peachy, you ready?
I don't eat rice, but I eat
Okay, well then spend today not using your teeth. Peachy.
Bengal tigers.
Okay, what about Bengal tigers? Bengal tigers are tigers. Okay. Or, like, give me some what's your science project about?
My science project is about Bengal tigers.
And what about them? Moving them to a new home, right? That's the project. It's not just about Bengal tigers, it's about moving Bengal tigers to a new home.
where Bengal tigers live. Bengal tigers is in the tropical zone. It lives in India. Sometimes people call them Indian tigers. India has wet and dry climate. Characteristic how Bengal tigers survive. Bengal tigers have orange and black fur color to camouflage, so they can hunt animals to eat and protect themselves from people hunting them. And also Bengal tigers has excellent vision in the night time because they mostly hunt in the night. Protect tigers. Not just Bengal tigers, many tigers has been extinct by people. In 2000, there are only 3,500 tigers all around the world. The amount of tigers are lower. Not just tigers, we need to protect every animal.
Oh, okay. So okay. So, Ichi, where's the information to move the tiger to? That's your question. So where can we move the tigers to? You didn't give us any information about that.
We can move it to a wet and dry place,
Okay, like where?
like
This is this was the point of the homework. This was the point of the project, is to find somewhere to move the tiger to. You've just spoke about where the tiger lives, so it doesn't really answer the idea of the homework, unfortunately. Okay.
teacher.
1 second. Yes. Yes. Who asked that question? Okay.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Can you turn to slide 2? But teach you. Where's the link at the bottom?
It's just a link. Doesn't matter. What's the link got to do with anything? Okay.
Using 2 slides and a conclusion.
Okay. Cool. Right. Caroline, last one. Okay, Caroline, let's go.
My presentation is talk about finding a new suitable new home for penguins. The animal I chose was a penguin. Penguins live in the parts of New Zealand. The climate in New Zealand is mild, and the temperature is about 10 degrees to 16 degrees. The precipitation is
Sorry.
It's about 640 milliliters to 1,500 milliliters. The climate in New Zealand is in the part of temperate zones. I researched that there are 2 more places that penguins can live is Antarctica and Australia.
We don't need to talk about it. So let's just talk about what penguins eat.
Penguins is the animals such as krill, squid, and octopus. Penguins live on the coast of New Zealand. Conclusion: penguins was the most amazing animal that I know. We need to protect protecting penguins because they are a great animal. I love penguins. I wish I can go to New Zealand to visit penguins.
Do you want to be a penguin?
I just want to visit penguins.
Yeah, you could be a penguin. Okay. Right. Caroline, penguins live in a part of New Zealand. We can move penguins to the coast of New Zealand. Is that a new home for them?
So I researched on the Google. They say Antarctica and Australia is a place that penguins can survive in there too.
Okay, so what you want to do is when you choose the type of when you choose a penguin, think about like the type of penguin. Okay, type. Like if you choose just one type of penguin, it'll be easier for you to find places. Okay, just be easier. You say all penguins, like that's a lot of penguins, right? If you chose like the emperor penguin or the blue penguin, it would be easier for you. Okay, good job. That's everybody. Yay, well done. Woo, 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 woo. No more presentations. Great stuff. Okay, so I want to jump into your homework from last night. Mickey, where are you? Mickey, you sent me a chat saying that you could not complete your homework. But I said yesterday that if you have a problem with the homework, that you should be getting in touch with Miss Lan or I. So why did you decide not to get in touch with us?
I don't have a link, but I
Chị ơi,
don't have
có lúc nào Việt Nam
anything.
ngồi chơi chứ ạ?
You could.
Don't have anything to send with Miss Lan.
Okay, but I sent my email address 1, 2, 3, 4 times now. 4 times. So you get sent the daily report, right? So you can reply to the daily report. And I said this yesterday when we're in class. So you could have said something then. You see what I'm getting at here, Mickey? Like there's lots of things that can be done and said. I haven't said them, which is not good enough. Peace out. Camera's on. Thank you so much. Okay. 1 second. My pictures are blurry. So I asked you to do question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We'll go through them quickly, and then I'll give you your homework. So, question number 1. Now, what did you write for question number 1?
Yes.
What did you write for question number 1? So, question 1. What is this? Now, question 1. Let's go.
Question.
Now, come on, let's go. Hurry up. Did you do your homework? Now, did you do your homework? Yes or no?
Yes.
Your name is not Sal. Thank you. Cannot connect. Great stuff.
I was connecting to audio.
Now, did you do your homework? Yes or no? Oh, I can't hear anything. Cindy, question 1, please. What did you write?
Wait me a minute. Yes, I recall the blue penguin leap
on coast of Australia and New Zealand, and the size of penguin habitat is being reduced in some area. Building a preserve somewhere else could help.
Okay. Okay, doesn't really answer the question. Mingha, what did you write? Mingha, unmute yourself, please. Why does this take so long? Come on.
Yes.
Yes. What's the answer to question number 1, please? Oh, come on. Mingha, did you do your homework?
Can I answer question 1?
Quiet, please. Mingha, ask you a question. Mingha, did you do your homework?
I did because I don't know how to do it.
You didn't know how to do it, so you could have asked a question. Say, oh, hi, I don't know how to do this question. Again, I don't accept this. I don't accept this from anyone. I told you before, if you have a problem answering a question, you ask. Do not sit there and do nothing. That type of laziness I will not accept in this class. Caroline, what did you write?
I write that I will bring the blue penguins to places that have mild climate. The climate there needs to be not too hot and not be too cold. It needs to be in the temperate zones.
Yeah, oh, perfect. Yeah, it needs to be in a temperate zone. Excellent. Hongming, what did you write?
I will move the blue penguins to South America. The reason I move blue penguin to South America because it is hot and humid that the blue penguins really likes. South America is the best place to move the blue penguins because South America was similar to Australia and New Zealand that the blue penguins originally lived. Other locations don't have the same climate as Australia and New Zealand. For example, polar zone is too cold for the blue penguins. Temperate zone was too dry for the blue penguins to live.
But it lives in the temperate zone. Okay. Okay, the way I want all of you to answer a question like this, you see question 1 and question 2. Question 1 is this part, question 2 is this part. Try to answer both. So, describe the features of the new habitat you selected for the blue penguins. Well, you know they live in as coastal zone because they live beside the coast and they eat fish, and it is in the temperate zone as well because you can't have it too hot or too cold. Reasons that the locations would not work. 2, as Kwangming said, if it is too hot, penguin will not be happy, and if it's too cold, it is too cold, penguin will not be happy either. So again, you need to think about what we are moving the penguin to. Where are we moving it to and why? We move it from one place that's the same as the other. Cool. Hacker, question 2, please. We're in a forest with cold winters, cool summers, and a lot of snow. What climate zone are you in?
Can you say it again?
Hacker, where's your book? Hacker, where's your book? Okay, is it open? I can see your book is not open. And that's your science book. That's your science book, yes? Doesn't look like a science book. Okay, what's the answer to question 2, please, Hacker?
That is a tropical zone.
Tropical zone. No. Hacker, that's not your science book. Where's your science book? Ocean. Great. Emma.
It is B.
B. Why B?
I mean the polar zone.
Yes, okay, the polar zone. So who can help me, right? So yes, Caroline, thank you. So the polar zone is cold and dry. What's the temperate zone? Help me explain what the temperate zone is like, please. Hannah.
The temperate zone is like in the summer. It is warm or hot, and in the winter it is cool or cold.
Okay, let's look. It's hot and wet. Hot and wet. Sorry, temperate. Sorry, over here. The tropical zone, hot and wet. Temperate zone is mild and wet. So they are your 3 zones that we looked at. The polar zone, cold and dry. Tropical zone, hot and wet. Temperate zone, mild and wet. Remember that. Get that into your heads, all of you.
Sorry, teacher Ryan.
Yes.
Bạn ơi, mình lấy sách ra và thầy chữa và thầy nốt cái gì thì mình cũng ghi luôn vào vở được chưa? Vào sách được chưa nhỉ? Đáp án nào mà sai thì mình chữa lại luôn nhá. Tại vì cô sẽ không chữa cho các con ở trong cái file bài tập đâu. Mình tự chữa lại luôn. Ghi chú lại được chưa? Okay, thanks.
Yes. I agree with whatever Miss Land said. Something about your book. Great. Okay. Let's go through this question number 3, and then we probably have to go through homework. Oh, so slow today. Anyway, Mickey, you didn't have your book, but let's do this together. Perfect. So there are similar patterns of temperature and what through most of a climate zone?
It is tropical.
No, it is not, unfortunately. Cindy.
There are similar patterns of temperature and precipitation through
Yes.
most of a climate zone.
Yeah, perfect. Great stuff. 2 factors always that you look at: temperature, temperature and precipitation. Is it hot? Is it cold? Is it wet? Is it dry? Hot and cold, wet and dry. Always, 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 always. So precipitation is the first one. Caroline, next one. Climate zones are usually warmer, closer to the
Equator.
equator. Yes, equator. Equator. And colder, closer to what, Mingha? Mingha, hello.
Yes.
Why do I have to say your name 2 times? From now on, I say anyone's name 2 times. When I call you, I'm kicking you out of the class. So Mingha, what's the answer to the question? What? Poles, yes, poles. Poles, yes. Poles. Oh, Ryan, come on. Poles, there we go. Okay, so again, 2 factors are always temperature and precipitation. Climate zones are always usually warmer. Okay, let's do this last question really, really quickly. I don't like. In spring, the weather is cool and there's some rain. By summer, the temperatures are much higher and there is little rain. When fall comes, the temperature cools off and there is some rain. In winter, it is cold. Ocean, what climate zone is this?
Climate zone is temperate zone.
Temperate zone. Yes, good job. Done. There you go. Temperate zone. This one, temperate. Temperate. Okay, great stuff. Right. For your homework, all of you, your homework will be page 487. Question A, question B, question C. A, B, and C. We understand? So homework, page 487, questions A, B, and C. Any questions about that? What's the question? Please raise your hand. Right. I'm going to say this. I'm going to say this one time to all of you right now. If I call your name, I expect you to answer straight away. If you turn around and go, what? What's the question? Means you're not paying attention to me. That's not good enough. If I have to say your name 2 times, or if I have to repeat the question, I'm going to kick you out of this classroom and put you in the waiting room. Then you can explain to your parents you are not paying attention to teacher Ryan in your online classroom, and that's why you're in the waiting room. Make myself clear, all of you right now. It's clear, understood, yes?
Yes. I understood.
Okay. Right. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye bye.